What's up, everyone? Luckside here. Welcome back to the channel. Right now with Shiba Inu, it may seem like we're just treading water, don't really have a whole lot going on. And for the most part, that is the case. And right now, large holders are indicating exactly this. But there is a metric that is remaining high that I think everybody needs to know about, because this is a very good thing. Now, before we get into it, if you guys haven't already, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. But let's go ahead and dive into this. So what large holders are doing right now is treading water. They're chopping. We're seeing some days of inflows, some days of outflows. I had a big outflow day on August 5th, had a big outflow day again back on August 31st. We know about the big dump by that one whale that's been here for a while that actually cost himself a lot of money. But for the most part, we've been pretty even keel. Haven't been making up much headway one way or the other. And I think a very positive sign for this is if we look at what the holder flows are doing, the large holder flows, you can see over the last 90 days, outflows have dropped 88%. All right. 90-day change for inflows have dropped 79%. So we're at this point where we've kind of reached this point of equilibrium again. All right. Which is why when we look at Shiba Inu price, we're not really doing a whole lot here. It's kind of this slow, steady march to the upside, which I'm okay with. And although this looks to be the case in terms of the charts, there's a couple things that have been looking good. You guys can see that the holders have been on the rise. Always a great thing to see. And what's really interesting about these holders, guys, is they're actually making up a significant portion of Shiba Inu transactions. So if you guys haven't looked at the adoption rate before, this is a very important metric, because this will show you what percentage of transactions are done by brand new wallets, ones that are interacting with Shiba Inu for the first time. And in fact, just yesterday, we saw a rate of 35.69%. So 35.69% of transactions done with Shiba Inu were done by wallets interacting with SHIB for the first time. Meaning that although times may look boring, although it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot going on, our actual new holder increase, our new holder activity on the network remains high. And this has been a very consistent theme for a long time, guys. When we look back all the way to, even October of 2021, August of 2021, you guys can see that this is a very consistent trend. And this is why I've said that, some people will say that, oh, SHIB's not getting much in terms of adoption. People aren't paying attention to it anymore. That's actually not the case. This line, this trend has been consistent dating all the way back to the height of the bull market cycle. In fact, all the way through the bull market last year. SHIB adoption remains high. SHIB optics remain high. Now, the important thing that you need to know about this is it gets better. All right. It gets better at times where the market is popping, but it remains high even at times where the market is not. Even in the depths, some of these dips, guys, look at April of or March of 2023, still at 25%. There's not a lot of coins that have a similar adoption rate to SHIB, because SHIB is easily accessible. It's out in front of people's faces. It's on every single exchange. So what we're seeing is a time where, although stuff may not look that good, it's actually good. This is why I preach fundamentals, because it's very easy to just get blinded by the charts when they're doing this. But this similar chop we have experienced times before. I want to keep referencing it, right? But we've dealt with times of chop before the market has taken off. And that's kind of what we're at right now. We're at times of chop in the bear trap when there's not a whole lot going on, when even BTC price is just chopping before things get popping in the market, right? So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys. Don't be fooled again by price. Price is always the lagging metric, like I say time and time again. And the thing is SHIB continues to gain ground even when it looks like it's not happening. But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.